away they go. Balota from the outside is unfolding in the middle. Schematics done on the inside, body shot. Head spin done on the inside, rain dancer, one embraceable and open mind is the early trader, unfolding body shot, and bilateral schematics on the outside. Balota head spin is running bilateral, one embraceable, moving up down on the inside. Pills came, rain dancer, second last open mind is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, the outstanding favorite, number 5, unfolding by a length and a half, body shot. Pills game is sneaking down on the inside. Schematic head spin, embraceable, rain dancer, Balota and open mind is still running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Unfolding, Pills game down on the inside, body shot, rain dancer, head spin, schematic 1A, embraceable, Balota and open mind, but still the outstanding favorite, unfolding, followed by rain dancer, and nearing the finish line from the stable of Mr. Putz Puyat, unfolding, rain dancer, Pills game, schematic, body shot. For your Fentafecta, then comes 1A, embraceable, Balota, head spin, and open mind comes last through all the way.